How are you guys? Please let me know if you're here and you can hear me and you can see me. This is our weekly live. Let me see here. I'm gonna go ahead and check over here in my other screen really quick. If you're here, say hello. That'll be lovely. Um, let me see. Let me see. I think I am live. Yes. Can you hear me? Let me know. So, how are you guys? Welcome to this weekly live. Let me see here. Okay, sure. Okay. Welcome to this weekly live. I'm trying to do these lives every Tuesday around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're here, swing by, and if not, no worries. You can catch the replay. I'll leave them here inside the group, so you can just catch them later. Okay. So today I wanted to do a news and updates because there's so much going on inside the community, right? And people. I send emails, I put posts out there, but I know we're busy and people consume content in different ways. Some people just rather watch a quick video and get everything, or some people just want to check their email and get all the links and everything in there. So that's why I'm doing this live, to update you. It's my job, right? You're here to get this support, and I'm here to give it to you. And I want you to know everything that it's available right now. I mean, of course, in the website, there's millions of things available, but the most important stuff I'm going to share with you guys today, so you're aware of what's happening within the community this October, okay? So the first thing I want to mention is the workshop, the quarterly planning workshop. It's still available. It's on YouTube. You can just go ahead and watch it. And I walk you through my process to plan your promotions for the last quarter of the year. Okay, so if you need to get your ideas organized, if you need to come up with new ideas, if you need support in any way, I encourage you to watch the training. What I do is I go over 3 areas. First, I believe we talk about the holidays, so which holidays to take advantage of or to create your own holiday, right? And then we talk about different ideas. We do a brainstorming and we talk about different ideas of different promotions that you can, replicate in your business. And then the last part is the marketing checklist, where we share, I share a checklist with you, so you can print it out and you can just use it throughout the quarter to market that idea and get the results that you want. So that is available. Of course, everything that I'm talking about here today, I'll leave links below. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that that's still available. It's, you can just go ahead and watch it and download the printables, okay, the checklist. The second thing I wanted to mention is the Fashion Entrepreneur of the Week. So this week we have Haley from TORCH Warriorwear. If you haven't checked her out, please go ahead and connect with her. Go to our Instagram, Fashion Entrepreneur Club. We're talking about her business, and she has a subscription business for women, okay, that has military apparel and lifestyle. Okay, so she herself is a warrior, and she has created this subscription system business for her fellow warriors, and it's all about the military apparel, and it's incredible. Okay, so she is incredible as well, and go ahead, check her out, support her, tell people about it. She's doing something really unique, and we're super flattered to have her in our community. Okay, if you want to be a fashion, want to submit your information to be Fashionpreneur of the Week, we still have some spots available from here till the end of the year. I don't know what I'm gonna do next year. I don't know, if I have several ideas, right? If you guys have any ideas or want something in particular, let me know. But I don't know if we're going to move forward with something for the people who have already participated, or if we're going to continue doing the same thing. I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. So it's, as helpful and as good for you as possible. So if you have any ideas, share. And of course, I'll update you as soon as I know how everything is going to work out. But if you still want to participate this year, we do have a few spots available. So I'll leave links below, so you can just send your information, and we'll be happy to check it out, and share it with the world. Tell the world what you do and what you offer in your fashion business. Okay. Next thing on the list, the giveaway. So we're doing giveaways throughout the holiday season because it's the holidays and let's have some fun. And what we're doing is we are giving away different workbooks and planners that we sell on our Etsy store that help you with your fashion business. So this October, we're giving away a fashion show production checklist. Okay, it's a mini workbook that we sell on the Etsy store, so you can plan your next fashion show. So if you want to win a free copy, okay, all you have to do is like this video, share a comment below, and go to the link to submit your name. Okay, if you're watching these on YouTube, same thing, just like, comment, and go to the link to submit your name. If you're watching on Instagram, which we have been sharing throughout the week, same thing, like, comment. I believe in Instagram you have to tag someone as well, and then submit your name in the link that we're going to share. So I am going to announce the winner on Halloween, October 31st. So stay tuned for that. And I'm planning on having another giveaway in November and another one in December. So stay tuned for those, okay? Next thing. So next week I'm going to do a live. Probably on Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, like today. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the fashion business quiz. So I just did a quick live on Instagram and talk about the 6 key elements to have a successful fashion business, which are the 6 areas that we cover in the quiz. And next week, what we're gonna do is we're gonna dive deeper and answer the questions and go over each area to help you figure out what are you lacking in your business. Where do you need support? What do you need to change? What do you need to update, right? So you can go ahead and take the quiz already. It's available. I'll share a link. It's a quiz that we did last year, but this year we updated it, we upgraded it, we added new resources. And the quiz really helps you. It's a principle because I like you to be able to download it and keep it and use it, as a workbook, as a guide, right, in your business. So you can download it and you can print it out and fill it out that way, or you can just download it in your computer and fill it out there or on your iPad, right? And what we're gonna do next week is, like I said, we're gonna go over it together. We're gonna talk about the different areas and help you figure out where you need that help. Okay, if you take the quiz, and already, like right now, you're gonna get like a little mini email sequence, and because I give you resources, depending on the different areas where you need help, and I also invite you to a mini training where I help you narrow down that list, which will probably, depending on the response, right, what you guys want and need, we'll probably do that live as well, probably next week. We'll see. Let me know. But you can go ahead and do it so you can get it in your computer and you can get the resources and all of that good stuff. But yeah, next week we're gonna go and do it live and go over all the different areas, and you guys will be able to ask questions, which is the amazing bonus of being here in the community, right? I'll leave a link to that as well. Next thing is the podcast. So the podcast, we're getting amazing guests on the podcast. This week we're gonna have an amazing episode for you. We have 2 guests and it's gonna be really, really good. I hope that you enjoy it. Stay tuned for that. And if you haven't listened to our last episode, I did it by myself. It's about, what would I do if I had to start over again right now in this time with everything that I've learned? Like, what should I focus on? What would I do? What would I recommend if you want to start a business right now? So if you want to listen to that, it's available in all the different platforms, and I'll share some links below for you to check it out. Okay. What else do I have here? Okay, for the Etsy store. So we have right now about, I think 64 products already in there for you guys. Workbooks, planners, different tools to help you in different areas of the business. So use them, okay? Don't underestimate the power of a small principle, okay? A small principle is an amazing tool, whether it's a workbook or a planner or a worksheet. You know, you download that worksheet and it helps you put all the stuff you have in your head on paper. It takes it out of here and puts it there in an organized manner. It helps you organize your ideas and it helps you come up with a plan, okay? Because the way I've created these principles, it guides you through a process, and by the end of filling out that principle, you have a plan, okay? You have everything organized, and you know, it gives you a transformation immediately. So whether you need help, I don't know, figuring out what to do with your newsletter, or maybe how to create a workflow for a project, or put together your business plan, you know, don't underestimate the power of a small principle, okay? And the reason they're small, they're short, they're concise, is precisely so the process is simple and helpful, and you know, because I want you to be able to go through it fast, quickly, and effectively, okay? And have a plan right at the end and be able to move forward. So if you're looking for something in particular, okay, I'll share a link below too. There's tons of different options there. If you need help with a particular area, let me know and I'll guide you to the best resource for you. And also, you know, if you need more support, remember we have the Fashion Business Online Incubator, which is our 10-week program that it happens online, where you get access to me, right? We work together for 10 weeks. Every week I send you an email with a certain information and a tool, so you work on that area in the business and you can ask me questions and you know, write back to me, and I can be in that constant contact with you to help you, okay? And what we do is every week for 10 weeks we work on a different area of the business, right? So you get to really know your brand well and get your audience, get to know them well, and learn how to market it the right way so you can achieve the results that you want in your business, okay? So if you need anything in that area, if you have any questions about that, let me know. Remember that I do have a coupon code, okay, for you guys to use if you want to. I think the program right now is $250, but if you use the coupon, which is FEC, like Fashion Entrepreneur Club, the initials FEC 65, the number 65 SMB, which are my initials, SMB as beauty. So FEC 65 SMB, which I'll share below for you. You get to pay only, I believe, is $165, okay, instead of $250. So 10 weeks, $165. Every week it's like nothing. It's like nothing, okay? Plus you get access to me during that week and after, okay? So let's say that week you couldn't finish something, you can go back to it, and because at the end I give you access to a website where you have everything in there, and you can go back and look at it, and you can always send me emails even after the program ends, okay? So let's say in a year you want to revise everything and you're like, okay, I need to change, I need to update things. You can take the program all over again and you can ask me questions and I'll be there to help you out, okay? So yeah, so these are the updates, the most important things happening right now, from now till the end of the year. Of course, new things might happen, so I'll keep updating you. And yeah, do you guys have any questions? Please take advantage of the group, take advantage of the amazing people that we have in the community. If you have something to share, if you want people to support you with something, if you need help, if you need advice, just feel free to share in the comments. This is your group, so feel free to share. Yeah, so that's what I have for you guys today. Like I said, I will see you guys next week again for that live for the quiz, but I'll make sure to leave all the links below. If you have any questions, just let me know. I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of your week, okay? And I will see you guys here in the Facebook group, okay? Bye, guys.